Rain today, some of which will be locally heavy. We do have a few downpours and even an isolated rumble of thunder is possible. So this is a radar loop over the last hour. We've been dodging rain for the last several hours on the plateau, but rain really starting to fill into the valley and it will continue to push east of Knoxville. We've had a few showers, but the main batch of rain will continue to push further east. Watching this line of downpours right now, say from Oak Ridge through Farragut down into Greenback, could be some gusty winds with it and resulting in low visibility. This is the view in Tellico Village, dumping rain right now. We have the low clouds, definitely an overcast sky. So it is going to be a gloomy day overall with off and on periods of rain. This is really the first batch. You can already start to see how there's some additional development along the cold front in parts of Mississippi. That's what I'm expecting through the afternoon. We'll see as the front moves through, additional showers and storms, and that's going to keep rain chances elevated through the afternoon. We have some gusty winds. Look at the wind gusts right now. Recent gust of 49 miles per hour in Tellico Plains, and right along where that line of heavier rain is. So gusting right now in the 30s right in Loudoun County. So windy conditions aside from the rain, but where you get some of those downpours to roll through, they can bring some of those stronger winds down from higher up in the atmosphere. Wind advisory in effect through the afternoon for the Smokies. We've already had gusts close to 50 miles per hour, and that will continue through the afternoon. Rain chances remaining high really for the rest of the day, off and on periods of rain, downpours, and thunderstorms, but temperatures will still climb into the 60s this afternoon. So a mild day, except when you're dodging the rain, then it does feel a little bit cooler. Over the next few hours, there's that main batch of rain pushing through. Then this afternoon, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be around. For the late afternoon, we're going to have to watch a few of these storms along and south of I-40. There's a very low chance that we see one or two of these storms strengthen up and potentially become severe. It's a low risk overall, but it's still something that we'll be watching. We'll start to see the rain slowly clear out later tonight. So more so overnight, the opportunity for rain decreases. It still looks like we'll have a few showers around into early tomorrow morning as that colder air starts to work its way in, but then we dry out, but temperatures will crash. Here's that low opportunity for a severe storm. Again, along and south of I-40, if we see enough energy return to the region after this batch of rain moves through right now, a damaging wind gust and even an isolated tornado can't be completely ruled out. Big picture though, the threat for severe weather is pretty low because right now we're just seeing rain roll through. The atmosphere is not really recovering from this morning's round of rain, and some of the higher energy is going to be well south of our region. A lot of times with a setup like this, the storms to our south take up all the energy and our atmosphere never recovers, and so we can't see severe weather. So we'll watch it. It's a low risk overall, nothing to be overly concerned with, but still something to keep an eye on later this afternoon. Colder air, that's going to be the main story with this system, and it's going to settle in through the day tomorrow and be in place for Thanksgiving, but it will be a drier air mass as well, so we'll be done with the opportunity for rain. Here's tomorrow morning, we're waking up to the 50s, but then that colder air starts to work its way in. By midday, we're already back down to the 40s with wind chill values and the 30s on the plateau, and temperatures will continue to fall through the afternoon. So by the evening, 30s and 40s with wind chill values even a bit cooler. So tomorrow's backwards. Warmer in the morning, cooler in the afternoon, and temperatures will crash Thanksgiving morning around the freezing mark with highs only in the 40s that afternoon. Plenty of sunshine though, so it will be drier, but a chilly Thanksgiving. In fact, right now we're on track for our coldest Thanksgiving since 2018. Friday will also be cold, 20s in the morning, 40s for the afternoon. Temperatures do moderate through the weekend, but also our rain chances will increase.